No, well, he's probably, well.
So what you doing all day, Stefan?
Just hanging around. I'm waiting for my sister to come.
Oh, your sister is coming? Oh, you want to spend all night over there?
I gotta go there tonight.
For real?
Yeah.
They're going to be okay? Daddy?
Yeah.
I played with Senti anyway last night. Right? Absolutely empty.